What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a good one because I'm going to be unboxing my new bike that I just got from Citygrounds. I have a flight that I have to catch to Philly later today at 5 p.m. So before I catch that flight, we got to get this new bike built. So without further ado, let's head over to the bike shop. To bicycle. I got my new bike here. We're gonna be unboxing it. I'm gonna have my boy David helping me because I want to make sure this bike is built properly and greased up and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and strap the GoPro on David and we're gonna start getting this bike unboxed. No pegs.
Tire pressure?
30.
Petri Max.
Nice. Higher. High. That's good.
Be back, bruh. Come back and say what's up to you. Woo! New Big Ripper hitting, man. It's been a minute since I've been on a Big Ripper. This feels crazy. Really smooth, man. Ain't nothing like a brand new bike out the box feeling. I do want to apologize to my headphone users and anyone playing this video on some loudspeakers. It is windy today, and I need to get a good mic set up for this GoPro, but just turn that volume down, you'll be all right. So guys, we are on my new 2024 Citygrounds Big Ripper. You guys know I've been a Big Ripper guy at heart. You know, I love my fast rippers, I love my bike with gears, but ain't nothing like a single speed. Cut to the beach. We just pulled up to the beach. Yeah guys, my new Big Ripper. Here we have my new Citygrounds Big Ripper. So what's different about this bike is it is a black bike. It is a black painted bike, but it has like a little bit of a sparkle to it, which I kind of like. It has like a chrome flake to it, I should say. It looks like chrome flake. Citygrounds Big Ripper theme sticker kit. Not gonna lie, I'm definitely gonna change this sticker kit out. I have a fresh sticker kit from Ride Out Supply, literally waiting for this bike. Literally been waiting to put that sticker kit on this bike. That'll probably be in another video, but I also got some other goodies and upgrades that I want to do to this thing in the future. But definitely I'm putting a new sticker kit on there. Let's talk about some of the key features of this bike. The gear ratio is still the same, the 36-16. I'm probably going to change it out to a 33-15 because I do want to convert this bike to disc brake. I have to have disc brake on all my bikes. I no longer can do V brakes. I just don't trust them. I don't trust V brakes. But moving forward, stock grips. We got the mushroom grips. Probably gonna change those out to some ODIs. I like the pads on here, black and silver pads. We got the Citygrounds SE bike seat. Bozak gumwall tires. That's different. I've never seen Bozak gumwalls like this. So definitely gonna run the Bozaks for a little bit, but you already know I gotta slap some Maxxis hookworms on this baby. Pretty much not too crazy of a bike, guys. Chrome wheels, or silver I should say, silver wheels. Nothing too crazy, guys, nothing too crazy. This is Citygrounds and SE Bikes collab bike. I see my guy Noah G on it, and I was like, damn, that black and silver convo just hits a little different. So, you know, I had to get me one. So I want to just give a huge shout out to Citygrounds for this bike. I am not sponsored by SE Bikes, but here I am still riding their bikes, and I'm not gonna lie, you know, I got love for Big Rippers. Big Rippers always have a special place in my heart. This is my first bike that I ever came up on, was a Big Ripper. Here's a picture of it on the screen. That was the day I literally went to go pick up this bike, my first Big Ripper. Definitely I got a lot of plans for this thing. Don't worry, I'm not powder coating it, at least not now. I'm gonna rock the black for now. I have a new sticker kit from Ride Out Supply that I want to install, and I do want to make this bike disc brakes, but we're gonna rock the V brake stock for a while. Maybe I might upgrade the V brakes and show you guys what upgraded V brakes feel like on this bike. But other than that, this bike is pretty solid, pretty smooth, and I'm happy to be back on a Big Ripper. So smooth. Yeah, one hand in this thing, man. You see it? I should have put my pegs on, but I'm not really a pegs guy. Ooh, the coast is crazy. But yeah. Pulled up back to the bike shop. Ooh, watch him. Kept that shit up. Definitely want to give a shout out to my guy David at Bicycle for helping me build my new Citygrounds Big Ripper. If you guys have a brand new bike out the box, I would recommend you guys taking it to your local bike shop. If you live in South Florida and you need a bike shop to build your bike, definitely recommend you guys come to Bicycle and get your bike professionally built so you can have a nice smooth riding bike out the box. So thank you Bicycle Bike Shop out in Boynton Beach for helping me build my new bike. Can't wait to shred on this thing for real. Lots of nice goodies coming for this thing real soon.